Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing my absolute favorite recipe for the holidays, herbed dinner rolls. These soft, fluffy rolls are bursting with the aromatic flavors of rosemary and thyme, perfect for any festive meal. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a packet of instant yeast, a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. For the liquids, grab a cup of warm milk, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, and a lightly beaten egg. And don't forget the stars of the show, 2 teaspoons of fresh rosemary and 1½ teaspoons of fresh thyme. Optional but highly recommended, a teaspoon of garlic powder for that extra kick. Now mix the dough. Combine all the dry ingredients in a bowl. That's the flour, yeast, sugar, salt, rosemary, thyme, and garlic powder. Next, pour in the warm milk, melted butter, and the egg. Mix until you get a shaggy dough. Time to knead. You can do this by hand on a floured surface for about 8-10 minutes, or use a stand mixer with a dough hook for around 5-6 minutes. The dough should be smooth and elastic. Let's give the dough some time to rise. Place it in a lightly greased bowl, cover, and let it sit in a warm spot for about 1 to 1½ hours until it doubles in size. Once risen, punch down the dough and divide it into 12 to 15 pieces. Roll each piece into a smooth ball and place them on a greased baking sheet or in a 9x 13-inch pan. Cover and let them rise again for 30-40 minutes. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the tops with melted butter and bake for 18-22 minutes until they're golden brown. For the final touch, brush the rolls with more melted butter and sprinkle with extra rosemary and thyme. And there you have it. Warm, herbed dinner rolls that are perfect for any holiday table. Don't forget to serve them with a generous pat of butter. If you try this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments. Happy holidays and happy baking!